So okay guys, so today we are going to see about the G+10 building with wind analysis and seismic analysis. So now we will open our new project, select space, we will give the name G+10 B and our length units will be in meters and force units will be in kilonewtons. Okay, so we will take our editings through here, exit plane. Okay, so I will draw my structure about 2 meter span, or you can take from the structure wizard so that it will be useful for you. 5 meters. So after drawing our structure, select the structure, whole structure, and click on translational. So select the global Y direction. So I'm taking the number of steps as 11 and each spacing is 3. So link steps, okay, and now press the delete button and S. So the base will be deleted. So okay, so now we will take the supports. We will assign supports for this building. Go to general, support, create, add. Select support 2. Select the nodes. See whether the nodes are selected or not, and now click on assign yes. So the supports are assigned. So now we will assign the property. So define. So select the rectangle. So I am taking 450 by 450 column size and 450 by 350 column sizes beam. So now we will take plate thickness as the slab as 0.12, add, close. So now we will assign these columns. So for that you have to select and go to select beams parallel to Y axis, assign S. So the structure will be assigned. So next select the beam dimensions and go to select and beams parallel to X and beams parallel to Z. So press on this plate now. So all the plates will be considered and now assign S. So the beam section has been assigned. Now select the plate thickness, click on assign to view, assign S. Now we will see our structure in 3D. So see, our building structure is created with slabs. Okay. So now we will add the materials. So select the concrete, assign to view, assign yes. So concrete has been assigned. Now we will define the loads. So if we are defining seismic, so we have to define the first we have to give the seismic and then after we have to give other load cases. So now we will take the seismic definitions, add. So we will take as the Indian 1893 to 2005. So here we are going to take 0.36 value, response factor, and these are like okay. So if we click on generate, here it will mention like city or zone. So we'll select as city, and I'm taking as Hyderabad. So all general buildings, the soil type is hard soil, RC frame structure. So generate. So it will generate the values and click on add. Cell factor is one, add, close. So now go to load cases, click on add, select the SEISMIC, give as EQX. Add, close. Now take the EQX, add, go to SEISMIC loads, add and close. So we see like it was not assigned. So for that we have to go to analysis and print, add, close. Now we have to go to analysis, run analysis. So see, so we're done with 000 analysis. Now press on done, go to modeling, then general, loads and definitions. So now go to these load cases and click on this EQ. See, the SEISMIC has been added for this section. So now we have to add our other loads. So click on load cases, add, go to dead load, give name as DL, enter, click on S, and then live load, click on LL, add, close. So go to dead load, add, and now take the sulfate, add, close. Now assign this, assign to view, assign S. So next take the live load, add. So go to floor load, take as minus 3.75. So our range is minimum is 3 and maximum is 33. So add and close. Now see, our live load has been added. So now we will add the member loads or the live member loads for the beam sections. So click on live load, LL2, add, close. Click on LL2, add, go to member load, uniform force. So here we will calculate our member load. So here we will take the calculator. So we will add this like as dead load. So 0.35 into 0.45 into 25. So 3.9375. So we will take this as minus 3.9375. So click on add, close. We will rename it. Change, close. Now we will add this to our beams X and Z direction. Assign the selected beam, assign S. So assign has been assigned. So now we will take the wind load. So go to wind definition, add, close. Take the type of wind 1, add. So here we have to give our calculate as per AC 10 category 11, and we will take as 44 meter per hour. OK, add, and factor is 1, add, close. Click on this, assign to view, assign S. So it has assigned to joints. Now click on load case details, add, select the wind, double X, add, and W Z add close. Click on WX add. So now we'll take the wind. So this is our minimum is maximum is 3, and so we'll take as 9, and this is 33 add close. And for the WX add, take the wind load and Z-ward direction was 9 and 33 add close. So now we will add this for the -1 direction, that is the opposite direction for the X. So we will take as -1. So this is 9, imagine is 33 add close. And for the Z also, we will add the minus direction, select the Z, so the factor is -1, so minimum is 9 and our maximum is 33, height of the building. So see here we can see our building, so the 4 wind force acting on our building. So this is toward the Z direction and this is the opposite Z direction. So after that we will go to analysis and print, add close. So okay, we will go to analysis, run analysis. So here we can see our analysis details. So we got 0 errors, 2 warnings and 2 notes. So we can neglect the warnings. So now we will see our report. So here we can see our report, and so its warning can be neglected. So now we will design our structure. So we can see here post passing, go to post passing, click on OK. So click on plates, click on maximum absolute, OK. So these are the maximum absolute pressure on the plates. If you want to see the for beams, here we can see the stresses for the each beam, and we can print for the each beams also. The forces acting on the beams, so the shear bending, the deflection, everything we can see here. So you can see the animations about the deflection. So there seems to be no deflections in our beam building. So now we will design it. So go to design, click on concrete, click on our IS456, select parameters, click on this button and select whichever fields we require. So we are taking 3, so the compressive strength, yield strength and the shear. So click on define parameters. Here we will take as M20 concrete, so 20,000 add, and FY main as 500 steel, add 3 zeros, and FY sectional reinforcement as FE 500, so click 3 zeros, close. Now go to commands, design beam add, design column add, design slab add, takeoff add. So this is for the beam, and this for the column, and this for the slab or elements, and this will be the overall takeoff of the section. So click on FC, assign to view, assign, yes. So and FY, assign to view. So we have to assign everything. For the beam, we have to select beams. For the columns, we have to select the columns. Design element assigned to view, assign, yes. So now we have to analyze our structure, add, close. So now we will analyze our structure and see whether there are any errors or not. So here we can see our 0 rings. So go to post passing mode, done, and we will select our beams and select one beam. So here we can see the shear bending, deflection and concrete design of the beam also. See the reinforcement details also provided. If you want to print, if you click on print, so click on Microsoft to PDF, click on OK, so we can print all these details individually for the individual beams also. So I have cancelled the print. So if you want to report all this, so click on print, so click on OK. So all the reports will be saved to this file. So it will print all the pages of our structure. So this is how we can do our G+10 building with seismic and wind load analysis.